What's the meaning of cassette? Cassette. Cassette.
Cassette. Cassette. A cassette is a small plastic container used for storing and playing analog audio or video recordings. It consists of two spools that hold the tape, which is wound around them, and a plastic case that protects the tape from damage. When a cassette is inserted into a compatible device, such as a cassette player or recorder, the magnetic tape is pulled over a playback head, which reads the magnetic signals on the tape and converts them into sound or video. The popularity of cassettes peaked in the 1980s before being largely replaced by digital formats.